I'm looking at the candles.
Guys,
Oh no, I'm wrong. Give me a minute. High is 32,002. 996,002. Really strong resistance.
less than 2 minutes, guys. If you're not in this trade, no trading. Wait. Be patient. If you're not in this trade, no trading for the first 6 minutes. When I go flat or hit 999, I'm going to squeeze my stop up super close. And whatever happens, happens. Made money already. So you convinced me, Hugo.
Wow. Hugo gets you get the badge, man. And that is that beautiful resistance. That's the resistance. Exactly. That's amazing. And we snickered a little, didn't we, Hugo? I'm choking on that.
Are you long, Hugo? Where's your stop? Let's follow you. I will. I have no problem with that whatsoever. 45 seconds, guys. All right, fine. I can say prepare to be amazed because we already are amazed. Did not think we were going to get a mature trade runner today. I was not expecting it, and there you go, guys. I said don't expect it, and we get it. So, anybody still in with me on this trade? If you want to squeeze your stop under that last little retracement, you can. I'm leaving my last contract 2 ticks in the profit because I've already made money. We are open for business, guys. Don't get me. Don't do it.
Remember, 6 minutes. If you're new, halt.
Yep.
Let's see what's going to happen. What are they going to drive? Who knows? Where are they going to drive it?
Ticks started higher, guys. We're looking for the institutions. I should have said that before the open, guys. I was too busy trading. Expect the institutions to push it down this morning before a push up. How many ticks to the downside would you expect it to go? I'm not trading. No trading for 6 minutes, guys. Any guess? How many ticks to the downside?
145.
Hey.
Yeah, Mike.
At least 60 to 70% of that, maybe 50% of that before even looking at a long. You got a lot of time to wait here, guys. We've done really well. Those of you here on trial, you got a lot of people that are just showing up on trial here, guys. There you go, 50% at least, which I think we were already pretty close.
We're down at about 109 ticks at that low, Brian, from the top, approximately, guys.
Thank you.
Down lower.
There we go.
123-ish.
So, those of you on trial, please pay attention. We don't give you access to videos, training videos while you're on trial. We expect you to ask questions, participate, observe what we're doing in the room, listen to how we talk about things. And once you pass your trial, pay your $99, become a member of the room, you will gain access to all our training videos, our core trade setups and everything. Core trade setups you'll get as long as you're a member. You get advanced trainings, advanced class, and advanced recordings for 2 weeks to help you decide if you want to be into a coaching program or a group class. There we go, guys. 32.
172 ticks down.
Perfect.
Ish, guys, ish.
There we go. The more ish, the better.
Yeah. I just ruler it. I don't do exact top to bottom. People have corrected me before, and I'm like, boy, wouldn't it be interesting? Well, maybe if this was a W, like with no risk, right?
Right.
But I don't know. We're still going down this second, but we're leveling out.
Yeah.
Might be it.
Yeah, I've been trying to eat cherries on the open.
W at 804, wouldn't it be? I'm not saying I'm doing that, by the way. I'm watching.
That would be the best thing to do.
Yeah. We made money this morning, so I get really tight-fisted after I've made money.
Yeah, same here, guys. Get more conservative, the higher, more money you take. Also, what do you have to think, guys? I mean, was the payroll, the reports bearish or bullish?
Must have been bullish.
Well, I don't know. What do you guys say? Bearish, you think? So,
Who said bearish?
Anna?
Oh, were the rates the report was actually bearish at 8:30, huh? And we went up that far. Huh. I guess I don't really care what the report said. I mean,
Bingo. That's it.
I mean, I don't care. The market went up in the long run, so we did good at it. I don't care really. I mean, I'm curious, guys. I'm very curious what that report is in my own little mind, but I don't care from a price standpoint.
No, but I mean, realistically, so let's look. Let's think about this. 847 is when we took that long trade and stayed in it for hours and hours on end. So 8:30 is the report. We have a little push up, and then retracement of how far? Let's see. We're doing ish today, 731 ish, 733 to, I don't know, 883. So 150 ticks, right at our volatility number. Then we had a push up to the long side, and we hit that little resistance area, and now we're down back to within what? Say 40 ticks of the low. So what does that take? What does that make the report, guys? This is a question. I don't want to spoon feed you this. While we're waiting for 6 minutes, we have 30 seconds. What does that make the report? Bearish or bullish? Yeah, they're probably going to. Yeah, so. The idea here, guys, is, and what I'm trying to get you to think through is, if you break 733 on the low, would that? Yes, thank you. Or you could say, this is the beginning of the range for the day. It's a huge range, but all right, guys. 6 minutes is up. We are still in an uptrend. If you are permitted to counter trend trade, you can look for two-way trading. If you want to be long, you could eke in. I would be patient here. Wait just a bit longer. You have the stochastics kind of watching each other. There you go.
And look at your 2-minute chart, guys, at 8:48. That candle at 2-minute chart 8:48. We're right exactly at the bottom of that wick, within an ish 1 or 2 ticks.
Yeah. So if this low holds, you could go long.
Oh, I'd wait a minute.
There's your long signal.
That was a W right there, guys.
Yep, there's your long signal.
Stop would be underneath 740, right, Brian? 739.
Yep, 740. I'm going to put one of mine into a tick or two into profits now, guys. Being conservative this morning. Are you guys in? You guys take that buy? I just said now. Let's go. Good job, guys. Nice. Love it. All right. Let's trail. Let's get this. Get some more money in the bank. So this could technically be a first touch rule against us. Counter trend. So I got 2 contracts left. Holding for Hugo's 31999 number. Just kidding. All right. Squeeze your stops up a little bit more. If you have one contract, let's go ahead and use the parabolic. If you have one contract, multiple contracts, split those puppies up. All right, I have one.
809 might be a re-entry.
Just look for, guys, again, we are saying two-way trading. And what'd you say, 809? Could be.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, if it breaks that little high.
9:34 in the morning, we had that high
Yep.
there.
So
It's almost like a second little bit of a W trade in there.
one left. Stops at 777. May go flat.
I went flat, Brian.
777. 777, guys. I think we're gonna go higher-ish.
Our one's gonna. It seems like we might push up to that R1 and maybe get another little bit of resistance because 200's around there. But then once we push past there,
You can tell me where the next actual. Let's look at this, guys. Where's the real? What's R1? Obviously, we're calling that resistance, but where's the next resistance area?
yep. Look toward your last retracement coming down, guys, to find that.
838 ish.
Yep.
Since we're going to the issues today.
Yeah, I'm right about with you around 8. I was gonna say 842, but
yep, that's it. I actually just moved my line to 842.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
flat now on that, guys. Good little trade after the open. This is killing me. Literally 3 weeks now. There's only been 3 days that we didn't have a great clean buy signal or sell signal within 1 minute past the 6 minute mark. It's pretty cool. The market knows we're waiting 6 minutes. They're doing it just for us.
Maybe Coach has more control of the market than we think.
That is why he's called the trading wizard.
He is a wizard, all right. My.
Two-way traders, if you did short the M, be careful. Or put your stops in the profits now, obviously. We should be flat here, guys. No need chasing. We're all green, right? Except for Fish. He ate something bad last night, turned red. Everybody's green, right? We had too good of a morning to give back our profits, guys. Good. Fantastic. Everybody's green. All right, Fish. How many ticks do we need to get you? Still kills me, Coach Sarah. I mean, hundreds of people watching and sitting in here, and we have 10 people participating.
I wonder if more people.
70?
Oh, 70.
Woohoo.
Wouldn't do that, though.
It's the big one. What is that? Sanford?
Did you get stuck in that news, Fish?
Milton, hold on. We're gonna get that to you in a second. I'm gonna put Hugo on the
Yeah.
let's leave Hugo,
Hugo on here,
guys. We're gonna leave Hugo alone for a little bit.
Hugo went to get his coffee.
Yeah, let him get settled in with us before we start messing with him. No kidding, you did get swallowed by a shark.
Hugo's
76? Why didn't you Fish? Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you get in that It's 27-minute long. Was it really 27 minutes we were in that long trade? Why didn't you get in that long trade with us? There were like 3 different opportunities before the open. Were you here? You were here, right? Oh, dang. I am now short, and I'm now flat.
That was a good one.
That was a quick little profit.
There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Let's see here.
Anybody take the buy signal? There's a 9 uptrend, guys. Good job, bro. Nice, guys. 16 tick roll buy signal. I did not take it. I'm literally debating on switching from cash to sim because I've had my morning and not expecting a ton of action today. Get your stops into profit now. A couple ticks into profit. You guys should have taken profit on at least a contract. I'm not as good as coach. I don't have the hot key to say take a portion of your profits. If I had to type that out every time, it'd be ridiculous. Fred's done for the day. Is that what he's saying? Oh, you're in the trade.
Fred did the 16 tick long.
Nice. All right, guys, bring your stops up. Let's get 745 as your stop. Good trade, guys. I'm going to get FOMO here and try to get him with you. No, I'm not. 745. Nice trade, guys. Okay. This is it. 755 now. 765. 767. Let's leave it there for a minute. 770.
And 810 is your W still, guys.
Yep.
Look at your 2-minute chart. It's clearer on the 2-minute chart,
Yep.
but you can see it on the 133 tick as well.
771. 775. Leave it. 775. Flat. If you're following the parabolic, you're still in. Good trade, guys. And good job. Who's still in? Anybody still in the trade? Got a nice little runner on your hands. Good. Hugo, Rad, nice job. Will trade. Good job, guys. Now use the 89 exponential as your stops or attached to mid Bollinger. You can use either one. Nice trade. Got another runner on your hands. Holy crap. Did not expect. Good job, Milton. You guys using the mid Bollinger right now? What do you guys, do you want me to call stops? Obviously, I got you stopped out too fast for those of you who had one contract. You guys want me calling stops? You want me to talk about Ben and Jerry's ice cream? I do have a question, Coach Tara. Very serious question. You guys probably flat now. Everybody should be flat on that one. Good trade, guys. Very, very good trade. Is there like, you guys want me to shut up today? No. Fish, hopefully you got in that, got some of your profits back. Not 70 ticks, but you probably got some back. Very little. Okay. Trading scared now, huh? All right. Those of you who took an in-break short, again, we did say this was two-way trading today. We've settled into a nice little range here. Let's see. Let me grab this. It's about a 725-ish. So about a 90 tick range that we've settled into. Ish. Okay. Rad, you're still in? You're not in long, right? You're in short? Please tell me you're not in long. Why? What? Are you in profits? You have to be in profits. Okay. You almost gave me a heart attack there. Who is it that says I think it's the big one. Is that Sanford and Son? What's he saying? Tara, I have a serious question when you come back. It's the big one. You guys give me heart attacks. Again, guys, if you wanted to re-enter, I would be careful going to the well in the middle of this range. Nice little 16 tick long. I am not in a position. Just being clear about this. But that is my position. No position. Willie is in. Wait, yes, it is. Oh, you guys are just listening to me. Nice. Good job, guy. What'd you do? Take this last hook up on stochastics? Guys, today, right now, stochastic hooks on the high and low side are going to be your friend. Let the stochastic hook work in your favor. 2 minute is agreeing. So here's the question. Back to the question. Was the report bearish or bullish? Or was it priced into the market already? What do you guys think? Trail guys, let's go. Let's get on mid Bollinger at least, depending on your entry. And your stop should be, now your stop should be, what? Crazy price action. 800. 800. Okay, move your stop now to 811. 820 now is your stop. $820. How many people are in with me now? I did go in. I told you guys I got FOMO. $820. Leave it at 820. You can use 822 now. 822.
Hey Brian, I was trading. I couldn't talk to you. We just did that. Look at what we hit, though. What we're trying to get through to the left, guys. At 930 to 931 area, we had right at the open. We had that retracement coming down. That's right where we hit. Right.
That's exactly what Coach Tara and I said. Coach Tara pointed it out right before we got there, and it nailed it. Retraced right off of it.
I did take a
counter trade short.
No, I took a long. I'm not in. My computer that I trade on is not the one I talk on, so it's.
I still have a question. Very serious.
Yes, what's your question? Sorry. That's why I came back.
This Longenberger cheese. Are you serious that your mom eats it?
Limburger is what we call
Limburger,
it.
whatever it's called.
Yep.
Limburger. It's disgusting.
It is. It's a cheese now. Back in the days of my parents' marriage weddings, right?
Ooh,
One of the tricks they pulled on someone, they put Limburger cheese on their engine.
gross. Oh my
I'm
God.
not lying. And
That's
it
like
took,
putting a rotten fish under your,
yeah,
like in your trunk or something.
it's like smelly feet, but worse than smelly
It
feet.
is worse
That's
than
what it
smelly
smells
feet.
like. But if you eat it, it's actually, it's not bad.
Oh,
but
Longburger is a woven basket brand.
yeah, we put that on our pickled cow's tongue.
That's why I keep saying Longburger. I actually went to the Longburger basket factory before
Oh, Longaburger is the baskets, yeah.
in Ohio.
Limburger.
Limburger is cheese that disgusting people eat. That, oh God. Ugh.
Yeah, when I find it, because it's hard to find, and whenever I love cheeses, guys.
This job, Willie, done for the day.
Yeah, I could be
Going
done
back to
with
bed.
today.
I would do the same thing if I were you, Willie. Get up in the morning straight, make your money, go back to bed, buddy. We are officially in two-way trading, guys. So we could be long now, but don't want to go too well too many times, guys. Don't want to go too well too many times. We are, we just could not break that resistance level that Coach Sarah pointed out a few minutes ago. So what do you think you could do? Well, you got a couple options here, right? Identify that you're in two-way trading and pick a bias. So if you're long, what did I tell you guys to do? Take the stochastic hooks. Is there anybody long from a stochastic hook up now? Can't get private messages, guys. I'll reply to private messages in a second. If you are, take profits. Okay, good job, Tim. Stuart, good job, guys. Take profits. Move your stop up now to 790. 790.
Huh. Bye, Willie. It's been great having you here.
See you, Willie. Oh, yeah, guys. Coach will probably jump in here for a few minutes in the morning on Monday. I will not be here. We will not. You're not required to be here Monday. Not an official session. If you guys want to be here for story time from Coach or whatever he's going to do, you can be here. But most of us will be taking the day off. And some of you will be recovering from hangovers and stuff like that. So, see you, Willie. Flat. Anybody still in this trade? You guys should be flat, probably, right? Now you should be flat.
Bye, Victor.
Chanel, good job, guys. Okay, good. Stuart, good. Now let's calm down a little bit, guys. We're at 10 o'clock. Slow the trading down. Slow it down. We've had good trades, long and short today. Some of you guys, I missed action on one, got in late on another, but we've had, if you think about it, guys, I mean, look at it. Look back at your charts. Since 936, every hook long on stochastics has worked. Every single one. Look at that. Clean. What did I tell you? So let me ask this question. This is a fun piece of a question. Who followed my advice this morning and took the hooks on like stochastic, every hook stochastic long? Who followed that? Who did it? Tim? Anybody? Jennifer T? Good. You should be on everyone. Good job, Drew. We know this is two-way trading day, guys, so you've got to pick your side. Good job, Tim. Good job, Drew. Most of you should be done this morning. Oh, you guys are friends? Well, that explains a lot. Oh, she did? Well, I'm glad she did. Happy to have both of you guys here. We got to get you a badge, Hugo.
Oh, Hugo, is Chanel your
Can we get a badge put on Hugo?
Oh, she invited you.
Yeah.
Chanel, did you do it through the affiliate link?
Welcome to the fam. Yeah. Chanel, did you do that? If not, we can get that fixed for you. Help her out with that if you don't mind, Coach Tara.
Yeah, I'll help you out with that, Chanel. We do have
No,
a.
can't get access. Log JW. Let me try to reply to his message. Guys, you can if you have any tech issues, we should be flat. Everybody should be flat. Nobody should be in the trade. We are done with the easy stochastic hook trades, guys. So that is out of our system. If you took everyone, Dr. Drew did, somebody else did. You had, again, it's 9:30. Since 9:36, we had 1 good trade, 2 small profits, 3 good profits, 4 was almost a runner-ish, and then 5 got a little profits, and it started getting jiggy on us. So we have the official narrowing dragon snout coming up here. Guys, if you have any technical issues, we do have support on the main website. You can submit a support ticket. Somebody gets to that pretty darn quickly. Done for the morning. Nice job, Paul. Nice. I love it. Done for the day, Rad. Great. Be done. Hugo just started trading like 2 weeks ago.
With us.
I'm joking. All right. I've got to go. Guys, no trades on right now. No trades. Look at what's happening. Scan your charts. Make sure that you get your bearings about you. We're still definitely in an uptrend. We've approached, we hit what, approximately the 75%-ish of the run up. So what are you guys probably waiting on at this point? We're probably waiting on, we need to see some kind of what, guys? Some kind of what? Done for the day. Nice job, Jennifer. Have a nice holiday, guys. Hey, guys, my sincere suggestion here is get done for the day. Close your computer down. Go enjoy your holiday weekend. A miracle. What would you – hey, there we go. Breakout. Tim wins a prize. Your prize, Tim, is you get to get off work early and tell your boss to, you know what, you're going to become a professional trader and a trading coach. Yeah, we would want confluence, but realistically, guys, we got to think about it like this. This is a big time day where you want confluence. Pretty much since we had a nice trade, long, waited for the pullback, went long again. We've had several good long trades, so there's no point jumping in anything here unless you see, a break of the range. So, where is this range, guys? If you're really, really, really aggressive this morning, maybe you look at another hook on stochastics here. I probably would say let's just sit on our hands for a little while. Now's the time to count your dollars. Everybody should be green except for fish at this point, right? Everybody's green. Please.
And Brian, we're coming down to, where we had that support at 945, but then below that, we've got the top of the range from the overnight to look at. So yeah, I'd be waiting a little while personally, but. Is it easier to wait when we're green? Ooh, like that bounce. Hey. Yeah. We bounced right at that little resistance on the, I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. I'm not supposed to be doing that with you guys.
No more trading right now. No more trading. Stop. We've made our money. We will do a get fish green trade here in a little while. I've got to get off the mic for just a second, guys. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Hey guys, if you look back on the 2-minute chart to 8:24 this morning, see where we had that little resistance? That's right where we're at right now. And that's why we're bouncing. See that?
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Hope you're enjoying our live stream this morning. If you'd like to join us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com to sign up for your free 3-day trial. You'll have access to the trade room where you can listen to our live trade calls and follow along, as well as participate in chat and have your questions answered by a coach. After the first 3 days, it's just $99 a month to be a part of the trade room. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, we're getting right down to the top of the overnight range.
This is, again, guys, Drew, everybody sit on your hands. Lope, I wish you would have followed my instructions to take the hook ups on stochastics. You took almost every single hookup on stochastics. What was the biggest amount of heat we took? You had one trade against you, Lope. Okay. Get it next time. You're better than that, buddy. I know you can be. Literally, guys, what was it? The very first trade was the only one that gave you a little heat. We should be doing nothing. Everybody should be flat. And I don't know. Have we earned a coffee break? I think we've earned a coffee break, right? What do you guys think? Have we earned a coffee break? I think we gave pretty good advice without coach this morning, right?
We did very, very good, Brian.
If you did what we said, you made money. That's for sure. Right?
Oh, hi, Claire.
Hey, Claire, have a great weekend. How about you guys? Seriously, guys, I am not joking around about this anymore. After the morning we've had, most of you should pack it up, pack it in. Let me begin my weekend. Get it? That was funny.
We got everyone done for the day so we can start our weekend early, guys.
Right.
Thanks for that. Uh-oh, we have Lope and Fish yet to work on. Then we're all done.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's right, Jay. Sorry about that. Well, now's not the time to start. Sit on your hands, guys. Do not take trades right now, please. This is not the time. We've had our action. Be patient. Those of you on trial, you will find out that we are very, very patient traders. We are waiting for specific setups. We've had our fun for the morning. So we need to wait. Be patient. If you're on trial here with us, please participate. Please ask questions. Not every trade call. We actually didn't have. Everybody took the same. Everybody traded with the trend this morning and made money. We took what, one counter trend trade, I think. Did anybody take a counter trend trade? I know Hugo and I did.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Chad took one. Okay. One counter trend. So with the trends, even with the range bound morning after the open, we made plenty of decent. Oh, Fred did as well. Okay. I thought pretty much everybody took it. Maybe one counter trend then. But again, you can do that in a two-way day. We came into the day saying what? Two-way trading, possibly range bound. And we are exactly that. Guy, you took the stocks both ways, stochastic hooks both ways. Is that what you're saying? Nice. Yeah, then you should be done for the day, guy. If you took the stochastic hooks both ways, there's no way that you're not up 100, 150, 200 ticks. One more? No, come on. I will start yelling if you really want me to. Yeah, you got to be super green. If you did, I am. I mean, anybody that followed the plan that we laid out pre-open and after the open, I repeated it several times, take the hook up on stochastics. If you follow that plan, you should be plenty green. Very small stop on the one. Okay, good job, Drew. That was your counter trend trade. Although you are not allowed to take counter trend trades at this point, Drew. You've got to get some coaching in. You hear the words coming out of my mouth, Drew. There is a long signal. I am not taking it though. Good job, Hugo. Okay, thank you. All right. I'm going to get coffee. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If anybody's long, follow Hugo. Coach Tara can call stops. If you have a moment, I'll stay with you. Never mind. I'll do it.
I sure do. I'm here, Brian.
All right.
I have a stop at 774. Is Hugo calling? That's fine.
31,999.
You still, yeah. Your next target is 31,999, guys. just kidding. But I would put a stop. My close stop would be 774 right now. If you're in the profit, do you see why? And
that is actually a very good stop.
773 maybe, but 774, 773. We've got strong resistance back at 9:58 in the morning, and again on this retracements. Plus, it's a 200, so I think that's fair.
Yep.
And by then you're in profit. You should be okay leaving it there for a little while. Stochastics still high on our 133 tick. Let's, 2 minute is still jutting up on stochastics pretty steeply. So pretty good with that. But keep in mind, R1 might throw you down for a little while. If you really want to follow tight, move that stop up to 793. Yeah, I move it to 793 already. Yeah.
There I go with my FOMO getting in with this little
793. Yeah. I'm on my other computer. I honestly can't trade when I talk quite like this. It's in a different machine.
All right.
Okay. So that's looking good. boy, if you're in the money, I'd leave my stop for this minute at 795 until we get past this next retracement, and then I'd move it up to R1. You see? And we had, yep.
Guys, good job.
We had support back at 956-ish time frame at R1, no ish. But this could take you out too. So if you want to leave your stop down at 795 because you've got a few good winners under your belt, that's fair as well. But we're turning on our HMA on the 133 tick. Our parabolic switched on the 133. So R1 is not a bad place to have your stop either. We're heading down on our stochastics. So it might get you out. Hugo, where is your stop? A little lower right now, right? I got to get back to my comments here. Oh, he's flat. You're done for now. Yeah, I don't blame you. We've had a really good morning, but
I'm going to guess that Hugo is up probably on micros. I'm going to guess he's up $225 on micros. One micro.
You're trading one micro.
Oh, look at that.
255.
Hey, how close was I, guys? How do I know that? I was trained by the trading wizard. That's how I know that.
All right. If you had your stop on R1, you're stopped out right now on this retracement, but this could just be a flag. It's hard to say. Now, Brian, would this be, I was going to say re-entry or entry point, but
we're at the top of the range now.
Yeah.
So I would be hesitant.
Yeah. And the two minutes still pointing up really nicely. That's the only thing. Yeah, but it looks, yeah.
Yeah, you can do a buy stop if you're really aggressive. Those of you newer to the group, do not do it. If you're plenty in profits, you could eke in a buy stop around one tick above the high.
855 it would be.
Yep. But it looks like we might be forming a little bit of an M. Oh, coffee's good.
And we're right into that muckle place, that retracement that threw us down last time.
Muffle place?
I have the weirdest words.
I love it though.
The muffle up place.
Right.
But look,
but guess what, guys? If it breaks the spot,
if we break 866 area, if we break 866 area, then boy, could we go, boy, but that's a long rise. Let's look how many ticks we've risen so far, guys, from the bottom. 152 ticks. What's our volatility number today, folks? It will hit 31,999. 152 in our volatility. Ooh, that was a nice shoot up. And we're right at the top of that retracement range now, guys. Looks like we. All right. It's pretty. We hit the top of that little retracement range from this morning, and we might just be picking up some contracts and then ready to come back up again, though.
Let me know if my reply makes sense there, RS. Got you, Lope. Thank you. Good job, guys. You guys are still trailing in this, some of you guys. Okay, good, RS. Happy to have you. Welcome to the mentorship program. As you guys know, we are sunsetting the mentorship program on Tuesday. If you have questions, please reach out to Paulina. I will post in the alert section. Let's see, I'll just do everything on the boot camps, and it will have the main phone number in there. Please reach out if you have any questions. Here we go in the alert section. Main number, boot camp information.
Yeah, we hit another major resistance at 878.
Yeah, well, Drew, I think you spoke to Paulina before. Just reach out to her. She'll walk you through both things. We're rolling out a new coaching, new layout. It's not a change in how we coach or what you get access to. It's just a change in how long you get access and just a different type of payment plan. That's all.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oops, I forgot I had that on, but it worked out good for me. Yeah, we had a pretty big resistance from the past.
Hugo called the CME. Yeah, I mean, we still are teetering around the top of this range too. Resistance, top of the range. If it breaks it, I mean, guys, you could look for, if you're really aggressive, super in green, leave your stops way back, like Coach Sarah said. And I mean, realistically, at this point, if you guys got in on the lower side, anything below, if your entry was anything below 770, let's see, where's that number at? Anything below 780. If your entry was anything below 780, feel free to attach one of your contracts to the 89 exponential and see if you have no risk, right?
Go get coffee.
Yeah, go get coffee. What's the worst thing that happens? It goes up to, 999, or it comes back down and stops you out. Drew, did you hear my answer to your question?
All or nothing. Okay, todo o nada.
He goes all in. Yeah, I mean, really, guys, right now, just attach, if you're in this long and you're in below, what did I say, 780? 780 is the number. Yep, if you're in below 780, you got no risk to attach it to the 89 and leave it. I am not in this trade, and I am okay with that. Made my money this morning. Do not get FOMO. Don't try jumping in now. Overbought on the 2 minute.
Like to see the stochastics on that 133 come down and hook.
Here's an interesting point, guys. The range has approximately been what for the morning? The volatility number, right? Okay, yeah. It's just there's a lot of things to explain through, and I don't want to confuse people, Drew. If you're okay with that. $10.21. I don't know if we could say that we even could look at a 10.30 reversal today. Where's it going to reverse to?
10.22.
The same direction it's been going all morning? Sideways? To the right, as Tim would say? I need some other people saying we're done for the day. It's going to keep going to the right.
Yeah, an R1 bounce. Nice.
I took the R1 bounce. Didn't want to do stuff that I wasn't telling people to do.
Yeah.
Vice versa. I meant Who you guys giving them at? Just one contract. As soon as the 89 gets past R1, guess what I'm going to do, guys? Good job, Viv. Nice job, Lope. Nice job, Chanel. Yeah, I mean, that was an easy stochastic hookup. Same thing we've been doing all morning. And it worked. And we're trailing it down.
Look, you went from red to done for the day in two trades. Good deal.
Good job, Viv. You guys want me to call stops? You guys good? How many people are in this? Good job. Wow. Good job, guys. And sorry, Drew, I was going to say you could have taken the hook on stochastics there. There'll be another opportunity. Take your time. Again, you're plenty green for the day. We should all be plenty green for the day. I was not going to get back in, but so many people are in this trade. I was waiting for that nice little pullback in stochastics, bounce off the R1 level, easy trade to take. Come on, get past R189. I will attach my stops to it. Flat. That's good, Viv. You're trailing too closely. You should have at least used mid Bollinger to put yourself into profits there. Does that make sense? No, that's perfect, Drew. Yeah, be patient. Wait. We'll have another opportunity here. Again, we're plenty green. The only reason, literally, the only reason I got in on the hook of stochastics for that one is because everybody else was in long, and I'm gonna call stops for you guys. Mid Bollinger is good for you guys. Anybody that got in later, like I did, you can use mid Bollinger. You guys know my plan. I literally got in at R1 exactly. So now my stop is attached to the 89 exponential. Nope. You guys are doing too much action this morning. I will in a minute. When we get out of this trade, I will do it. It will be coffee time. You guys are getting good. I like it. People are listening. They're learning, making money. All of you on trial. Hopefully, if you guys have any questions, private chat me. Chat in the main room. Everybody here is really helpful. Good job, Chanel. Thank you. Good job, Lope. We still need to I am going to laugh when we hit the 31999 number. I like it though. I know what Lope did wrong. He kept chasing, didn't you? You got in late, chased, and got stopped out. That's what happened. Yep, I knew it. It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Just don't do it again. How about that? Let me beat you up, and don't let coach see it, or he will really beat you up. You guys, you can use 866. It looks like as a stop. Yep, 866 can be your stop. We still have people in this. This is not a bad runner, even if you got in where I got in at. We were saying no runners today, and now 21. We've already had 2 of them. Some people had 3. Who is still in? Anybody still in, or am I talking to myself? Anybody still in this trade? Everybody should be green now, right? Fish, please tell me you did something. Hook on stochastics. Fish. All right, we'll get one for you. One runner for Young Fab. Good job. Cod Knob. Good job, guys. Great job, everybody. It's time for some music. How many contracts do you guys have? Give me your entry prices and your number of contracts. Entry price first, number of contracts left second. We'll get some stops out there. Power exit points. Entry prices. Odd knob 826. So you did the same thing I did. Okay, that's not bad. If you're nice and green, my suggestion is to follow the let's go. 1. So Cod Knob's the only one left in.